Hey guys, welcome back. Today, I got a new quad lock. It's a new clamp into the Ninja 650, and I actually got a new phone today too. So, before we go, I want to check on my phone. That's what happened. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, I actually did at work, and I broke my phone. So, I ordered a new iPhone 13, and then a quad lock. So I want to attach it to my bike because I hate it. Whenever I always had to stop, pull my phone out, and just kind of annoying. So let me cut this box out. So piece of plastic, don't need that. Oh, they all pop away. So I got the iPhone 13 case. Oh no, already damaged. I got a screen protector, and then last and not least, I got the quad lock mounted at the steering wheel. So yeah, mostly that's all I have in this box. So let me just pick up, let you guys see it. So yeah, this is my new iPhone. A phone case because I don't want to buy Apple, but it's way too expensive. But I was like, and then the fork extension and the screen protector. So today we're gonna sample on the Ninja 650 2021, and we're gonna sample it right in here. So first, we're gonna take these things off. This is really easy to take it out. Like as you can tell, you can put them up. Oh no! Hopefully I don't lose that because I might need it soon. So it's just a tiny cap, and there will be a hole already. So the next step is open that. So let me place this camera back in place. What's it for? Okay. So first I'm gonna open this. Oh, oopsie. I'm really not good at this. So yeah, that's what they will come at. So you got the first stuff, and then the mount, and then some weird. Oh, I'm really clumsy today. So let's take these up. Okay, take two. Been struggling this a while. Oh no, I don't want it like that. I just want them to be in. That. Look at these. Those snuggle in. There you go. So yeah. So you want to lose them out a little bit. So for some, this is the one, right? You want to lose them out a little bit. So yeah, I just lose them out as much of them. Don't worry about them falling down. I got my thing falling down. But if you go underneath, there's this whole thing right there. And you can see that. Yep, there's this whole thing. You just unplug the plastic out, and then the thing will fall out. So you don't have to worry about getting stuck. But yeah, I finally accomplished it. Now, just need to grab. Where do I have it? Oh, right here. Yep, and then turn into the left side. So just try to tighten them as possible. Just keep spinning around till you feel like it's tight them, because I want these to fall down in the middle of the highway. But yeah, that's just a bonus round because I've been struggling it. So whenever you gotta fork this thing right here, so you want to lose that bottom cap out a little bit more so you can freely move the spring. Like this bigger one, but it doesn't fit my foot. You want to see if it moves freely around, which is more easier. So when you put them in, try to hold the bar. Like don't hold too much, just like slightly shake it, put them down. But yeah, it's quad lock. It's really easy. I struggle 3 times in a row, but that's mostly it. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Peace out. Okay, so So when you put them in, you spin that way. So you can spin onto the left one. So let's see if we can fit this in. You're gonna wiggle of it, and then now you just start spinning down. So you're spinning to the left handle. So spin it until the handle. Yep, that should be tight enough. Just keep spinning more. Oh. So let's keep spinning. Yep, that's tight enough. Yep, that should be tight enough, and yep, it should be done from that. And then the next one, you're going to be reassembling this thing back. So I don't know how you guys like it, but you can reassemble it really fast and easy. So first you're gonna put this cap on top of that. Just lay the plant in. That should be good. And then we'll cut it off and put this thing in. And you put the bolt into the side. So I might have to turn the wheel a little bit. No, that doesn't work. So yeah, you see these? Just want to tighten them up. And yep, you just want to tighten them up. And then you should be good to go. So I might want to add one of my loose a little bit out, because let's do like that. Yeah, that should be it. So that's all done. Last but not least, I'm gonna put this thing on. So you're gonna screw that up, and then you just want to place this over here. And you just want to, so you press it down onto it. And that's mostly it. So there's your quad lock, and then the phone case and stuff. I want to keep this stuff on once. So perfect. I feel like I dropped my new phone, because last time I did, and I was kind of scared now. Okay. And then, yep. iPhone 13 blue. And that fit perfectly. Oh, that fit perfectly. But yeah, so now you just can just, I just want to pause. I'm really bad at this.